So one question you need to ask when you're buying land is it big enough to build? That's a very important question, because sometimes you see a lot of pictures, even the map, and you think, oh, it's fine. It's a rectangle, has a nice shape, I can go for it. But you need to be careful. If the question is it big enough for me to build? I'm going to assume you want to put a house in that land, right? Well, then you're buying residential land, probably inside a city. Well, you need really to know in that city what's the minimum size of the lot that you're buying to build, because it varies a lot. For example, in some cities, lots that are 0.16 of an acre, about 4,000 or 5,000 square feet, they might not be enough to build at all. In many states, they are like that. While in others, like in Pennsylvania, for example, I can even go smaller than that. So you need to be careful about the size. A quarter of an acre, for example, is a very good size in almost every single city, right? But in places that are very, have a large demographics, you might have to go smaller. But it's important to ask. Now, if you come to us, easypayproperties.com, we already tell you, you can even see on the website which is buildable, which is not. It's all there for you, because we do all the research before we even buy that land. But if you're buying from somebody else, you will need to call the county or call the city. Actually, you call the city, because each city can be different, even inside one county, and ask what's the minimum size of the land for me to build. So you avoid having a plot of land that is going to be very difficult to become useful to you later.